Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find this which Simpson character are you filter on Instagram and how to use this filter. To get this filter you can visit the creator profile. Alexandro is the creator of this filter. You can follow him to unlock all his filter to your camera tray. So this is the Simpson filter. Tap on it. You will see a preview. From here you can try it and you can save it to your camera. So let's try it. To use this filter, you just have to hold down the camera button. Just hold down the camera button. And done. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this filter on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.